Good day! This is Teacher Linds. I am your mathematics teacher in this virtual class. Today, we'll have multiplication of decimals and mixed decimals. After this lesson, you are expected to first, multiply decimals and mixed decimals with factors up to 2 decimal places. Second, write the decimal point correctly in the product. Third, write solutions to multiplication equations involving decimals up to the hundredths place. Now, let's have a review. Remember, this is an example of decimal number. As you can see, this is a whole number, decimal point, and these are decimal numbers. We have tenths, hundredths, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. As you can see, we have 5 decimal places, and you can read this as 6 and 54,678 hundredths. This week, you are going to perform the repeated addition, which is multiplication. To make you ready for this lesson, let's have an activity trail with me. Okay, let's start here. 24 times 13. Right, it's 312. Next, how many decimal places can you see? Right, it has 3 decimal places. Next, 745 times 3. Right, it's 2,235. Next, how many decimal places can you see? Right, it's only 1. Next, 123 times 5. Right, it's 615. We're almost there. Now, how many decimal places can you see? Right, it has 3 decimal places. Great job! Now, let's proceed to our lesson proper. Let us read this problem all together. Beth and Carla went to a grocery store. Beth bought 12 boxes of obijam at 850 pesos each, while Carla bought 1.2 grams of sprinkles at 8 pesos and 50 centavos a gram. How much did each of the girls pay? There are 5 steps or 5 questions to solve this problem. Guide question number 1. What is being asked? Right, it's how much did each of the girls pay? Guide question number 2. What are given? Right, we have 12 boxes of obijam at 850 pesos and 1.2 grams of sprinkles at 8 pesos and 50 centavos. Guide question number 3. What operation is needed to solve the problem? Right, it's multiplication. Guide question number 4. What is the equation or number sentence for each? Right, for Beth, we have 850 pesos times 12 equals n. And for Carla, 8 pesos and 50 centavos times 1.2 equals n. Step 5. Let us solve how much did each of the girls pay. And let us start with Beth. 850 times 12 is equal to Right. Beth pays 10,200 pesos. Now, for Carla, we're going to multiply two decimal numbers. But before that, let's remember these three steps. In multiplying decimal numbers, just multiply the decimal numbers just like whole numbers. Next, count all the decimal places of the multiplied decimal numbers. We have 1, 2, and 3. We have 3 decimal places in all. Now, affix your decimal point in your product by counting 3 decimal places from your right to left number. Starting here, we have 1, 2, 3. So after 2, we're going to put the decimal point. Therefore, Carla pays 10 pesos and 20 centavos. Let's try more examples of multiplying decimal numbers. First, we have 4.12 times 8.3 is equal to Right, it's 34 and 196 thousandths. Why? It's because in our given decimal numbers, we have 3 decimal places. Remember, we're going to affix the decimal point to our product. Second example, we have 54 hundredths times 19 hundredths is equal to Right, it's 1026 10,000ths. As you can see, it has 4 decimal places. Now, it's your turn to answer the activities in your module. That's it for today. Again, this is Teacher Lindsay. See you next time.